Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel. My name is JasmineLatishea. Thank you for being here. Thank you for coming to watch. I ain't been here in a while. Thank y'all to the new subscribers that I've gotten lately. Really appreciate it. So hey y'all, I ain't been on here because I ain't been dieting. I went off the diet. Wasn't supposed to do that. That's what happened. So and luckily it was a contest. Like I have been out, really I have been testing out these products, seeing how I like them, see what fits me, see what doesn't fit me, testing everything individually to kind of see how it works. So in the middle of that, I would kind of go off of what I was doing so I can fully see what it is that I'm working with. Because sometimes temperatures take a big part in taking some supplements and stuff too. So all that stuff I was checking out. Sugar, if I ate sugar, if I wouldn't eat sugar, if I would do this, if I would do that. Just testing a whole bunch of different variables with the products to see how it best works for me. Now, so that's what I've been doing. And while I was in the middle of that, I had stopped the diet because I wanted to kind of go back to the way it was and then start over to redo a detox. Okay. And then that's when they came out and they said it's about to be a lifestyle challenge. So, and besides all of the diet stuff too, y'all, like, you know, this year has been a mess, and I'm trying to take my life and rein her back in and get her under control. So I need to get my finances in order. So what I've been doing is I bought me some classes that I've been taking and looking at and delving into credit a little bit more deeply. And at this point, I kind of think that it's not an option. At first, I was looking at credit as an option, but it's really not an option. That's something you must do. So I've been delving into that really, really hard. And I want to learn it to the point I can go to somebody else and help them clear theirs up. They can send me, like, I can turn that into a little business. I want to learn that much about it and how to best use it. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I've been doing, as well as testing out these products. So now that I'm doing the 30-day challenge, this is day 3 inside of the challenge. And y'all know when I left, probably last time, I think I weighed about 280, and I was fluctuating between 280, 284, something like that. I will fluctuate between there. Okay. So when I stopped doing my diet and I went off of everything, I even drank soda too. Soda put so much weight on me. And then I ballooned all the way up back to 294. So I started this challenge at 294. This is the 3rd day. So 3 days ago, I started the challenge. Now I'm back to, well, I'm down to 292. So I done lost over 2 pounds so far. And keep in mind, I'm using the products as they're supposed to be used. Of course, I make my own little tweaks and stuff here and there. But when I get up in the morning, it's called taking my NRG. I take 2 capsules of those every day. What those do for me specifically, they give me a boost in energy. It's a lot of days and that I'll get really, really sluggish. And when I went off of my diet, that was the first, and off of the products, that was the first thing that happened to me. That sluggishness, I'm not even saying it right, but the sluggishness returned quickly. I was tired again, couldn't get up again, and I just, man, for me, it's a really, really big difference when I'm taking my products. Like, I don't have no energy. I don't know why. I think when you eating a lot of bad food, is, man, it just hits you so hard. And I've been noticing that over the last month. And it really hits me in the energy department. It really does. So what else I've been doing? But I haven't been doing this long. Okay, this is the Alleviate. I've been using Alleviate. Okay. It worked on the headache. I was having bad migraines when I went off the diet. So I was starting to use this, trying to stay away from the pills. And it actually was helping my headache. Now, I don't know what that's about. I don't know why it can. I don't know. But I've been using this. And I also been using it for the past probably like 4 days. No, the past 3 days. But I've did this before. So I've used it about 4 times this way. I put it on up under my waist belt, which you can't see right now. I put this on up under my waist belt, and it gets so hot. My stomach gets so tingly. You can feel it. So we still working on this, but for pains and aches and stuff, it's a go. It's a go for that. Now my NutriBurst, this is a multivitamin in liquid form. Okay. I think when you're taking it, I can't really tell you like how I feel with it by itself. I always take it with the rest of my stuff, and so I can't really tell you like the difference between the NutriBurst and Detox Tea and the NRG, but I'm taking it because I'm detoxing and it's replenishing anyway. It's a multivitamin. I really don't expect to feel it. I expect to have long-term benefits like no aches, no pains, probably more sleep, stuff like that. What else I'm taking? Of course I'm taking my sachets of tea, okay? So in the mornings, I take 2 of this. Sometimes I take it in 16 ounces of water. Today I took it in about 2 of them in about 4 to 5 ounces of water, okay? Just depends on how I'm feeling. And this is a natural detox and cleanse that it supports you with. You can lose 5 pounds up to 5 days. And if you don't like it, you can send them the stuff back. Okay? And if you're looking for it, check out any of the products. Check out the link below. But I'm just coming in. I just want to let you know what I've been doing and tell you about the stuff real fast and what I noticed about it personally. Now, the resolution drops. I love. This is one of my favorite products. It's also one of the products that I sell the most. And I'm selling this the most because when you're on a diet, one of the things that's going on is you're always getting hungry. When I tell you this supports you with suppressing your appetite, like I can literally take this stuff, like if I'm sitting here and I'm like, ooh, I feel that hunger coming up on me. I put this in, 1 or 2 drops, 30 seconds up under the tongue, sublingual. And when you take stuff sublingual, you know it goes straight to your system. It goes straight to where it needs to go. Okay? So, I'm telling you, right away, you good right away, and you can keep on hitting your goals, get to where you're trying to go, and all that good stuff. So right now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I use more products than that. Like in the morning, you can have the Delgado coffee. I use more products than just these, but these right now are my top 5 because I like to see what's working best for me. And like I said, y'all, I just been checking into how to build my credit. Not only that, how to build my credit myself. So I'm gonna start try to come in more regularly. For me, the lifestyle challenge is about changing your lifestyle, changing your mindset, changing, transforming into the best you can possibly be. You know what I'm saying? And being the best you is handling your business, taking care of your business. If your body ain't right, get it right. All that stuff is encompassed in being the best you can be. Creating value to yourself. You know what I'm saying? And another part that I'm doing for the challenge too is I'm going to be journaling every day. Yesterday I didn't journal, but I need to put in a journal for yesterday because I went to sleep so early. But I need to do my journal for yesterday, and I'm going to be journaling for... I want that to become a new habit of mine. I noticed that when you leave school and all of that stuff, like, adults don't never... I remember when I was in psychology class, one of the tactics that people use against other folks, especially, well, in business, is the fact that they give you awards, and awards make people work harder because they feel like they're going to get something or they're better. It's almost like creating a competition. And yesterday I was skimming through the 48 powers or 48 laws of power, and it was kind of saying that you take a group of people and you divide them, one on this side, one on this side. Like, this is a tactic of a game that people play, okay? And when you get older, I think that you no longer, after you graduate high school, maybe you went to college, but when you get older and older, those accomplishments stop. And some people never even got that. Some people didn't graduate middle school. Some people didn't even graduate high school. So they never was told, good job for this, or received a good job for that. And I was like, wow, that's kind of crazy. After a while, so you have to kind of like build your own value and not really let nobody else build it for you. If you want to understand what I'm saying, write it in the comments below. But I haven't got the full breakdown on it like I want to. And y'all, I have a revelation I really want to share with y'all too, that I had got about a couple of weeks ago. But I'm going to drop a different video for that, and I'm going to make it, because that's going to be for my podcast, for I Am In. Okay, which I haven't done that either. I haven't been doing anything because I had to sit back and I have to really understand where I'm going. I have to do a POA, a plan of action real quick. I had to come, girl, I don't even want to say I'm drowning. I had to come save myself. But based on decisions I done made years ago, I'm having a reaction that I don't like. I don't like where my life is. You know what I'm saying? So I had to put in the time. I had to put in the effort into me to be where I want to be, so I can go where it is I want to go. I want to be comfortable. I want to be able to help out people if they need it. If it, you know what I'm saying? I got family members that need help. I can't help them. But I got the mind. I know that if I put my mind to something, I can do it. You know what I'm saying? But at the same time, I have to keep pouring inside of myself, and only encouraging myself. And maybe that's part of my problem too. I'm not looking for, encouragement from anybody else. That's not what I'm saying. But once you know where you're going, it's easier, right? Once you set it on paper, hey, I want to be 150. Hey, I want to be a tax preparer or a credit repairer. You know what I'm saying? Like, you got to set that goal so you can know what the end goal is, so you can know when you made it. So I just been sitting back in the cut. I've been thinking. Like I told you, I bought like 6 books. I'm going to start reading again. And I think that's another thing. This how I even brought all of this up, because I used to be like more of a writer. I haven't written anything in I don't know how long. But when I started to journal, I was like, wow, all this frustration and stuff I've been having, I could have been journaling to, have some relief that whole time. Writing, it truly is therapeutic, so I'm definitely gonna be doing that. And I want to create all new habits. All the bad habits that I have gotta go. They not doing nothing for me. And it's just gonna be that much sweeter when I find the other side. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna make this video, I'm gonna cut it here. Thank you for watching. I appreciate y'all new subscribers. I ain't forgot about my channel. Oh, y'all, and I started a new Facebook group too. It's called Boss Fit. Girl, I forgot the name. I forgot the name, but it's Boss Fit. I'm gonna leave a link below. It's a group. If you're trying to transform, if you're trying to lose weight, diet, detox, all that stuff, come and join the group. I want it to be a support group. I want it to be a group where everybody encouraging everybody to go higher. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes I be needing it. And plus, you always need people around you that have connections, like, where somebody can tell you the right place to go. You know what I'm saying? Somebody who can point you in the right direction. And my group blueprint for this stuff right here, I've started to notice, like, we got a big group, and you can go back to the group. The group gonna help you and point you in the right direction. It almost don't even matter what question that you ask, because there's so many of us. It's his own community. You know what I'm saying? We are our own group, we are our own community, and everybody help everybody out. Our coach just went regional director. Or was it not? I think it's regional director. And you can get on there, you can call her anytime. You can get a hold to the coach at any time. Like, I can go on my phone right now. She available. Ask her a question. I go on her Facebook. I send her messages. Whenever I have something that's directly for her, I go directly to her and she come directly back. So if you want to join Blueprint, learn how to get you some money, streams of income is what's happening in 2020. We have to start streams of income. Maybe this gonna get you good until you can start rebuilding your credit. I don't know what your situation is. But what I do know is that we all need another stream of income. Okay? I know I do. So if you interested in becoming a life changer, please click the link below. If you just want to get the products, click the link below. It don't matter. Start working on yourself. And encourage somebody else too. Because I'm trying to work on myself. And sometimes I find it hard to stay motivated and keep motivated. But this video was longer than I intended for it to be, y'all. I probably will try to be in every day. I still ain't even started the new recipes I was supposed to be doing and everything. But that's all right. That's all right. That's all right. We're going to get it all together. I'm excited about the new chapter in life, about where I'm going, where I'm striving to go, all that stuff. I'll be back in tomorrow. All right, y'all. Peace.